Let's talk about a city that solved its rat problem without using any poison. Here's their story.
Whoa, that's a big number. But what on earth does it actually mean?
It's the percent of burrowing owls on Marco Island that had rat poison in their systems, almost all of them.
And this quote nails it. Poison doesn't fix the holes that let rats in the first place.
This is called secondary poisoning. The poison doesn't just stop with the rat, it keeps on killing.
See, before you add poison to the mix, nature has its own very effective pest control team.
But once poison gets used, something kind of weird happens. It takes out the predators first.
And with no predators left, the rat population just explodes. They call it the vacuum effect.
So you've got two paths: a poison cycle that actually gets worse, or a permanent, safe fix. So, if poison is the problem, what's the actual solution? Well, it's a 3-step plan. First, you seal the building. Then, get rid of their food source. And finally, control the population without poison. Okay, that sounds great in theory, right? But does this stuff actually work in the real world? Here's how they did it. They used science, ran a pilot test, and got everyone on board. And the results? They were incredible. A massive drop in the rat population and 0 complaints. So this wasn't just a win for the owls, it was a win for the entire community. Which brings up a really important question for all of us. Is your property poison-free? You can start this change. And it all begins with one simple question to your pest control company. Marco Island created the blueprint. The only question now is, who's going to be next?